Never stop building yourself up. What does that title even mean? Now, this is designed to be a motivational video for those of you who have struggled to take that first step in fitness. Maybe you've fallen into your comfort zone, or maybe you're just content with how you look, even though deep down you know you're not satisfied and you know that you could do better. Now, I talk to a lot of people, I mean a lot of people, who tell me that they are not happy, they're not satisfied, and they want to change their appearance and change it for the better. And they have me convinced, have themselves convinced that they want to make a change, and they even go into stories and scenarios where they have felt hurt, where someone has said something, or they've felt a certain way based on how they look and their appearance and their physique. And I sit there, I listen, and I try to come up with a solution, and I provide a solution, and then nothing. And this is not uncommon, this happens so often. And it confused me for a long time as to how can someone be so desperate and so determined to make a change, to then all of a sudden, when the solution's provided to them, go quiet. And it's all of a sudden not such a big deal. And, you know, maybe they're happy. And so I tried to look back and think about my own journey and why I got started. So when I first got started, my mum actually took me to the doctors because she was worried about how skinny I was and thought that I was malnourished and that there was a bigger problem. I was so envious of guys that had great physiques, but yet I wasn't prepared to do anything about it, even though I wanted it so badly. I was just prepared to sort of dream and wish and moan about it, I guess. I realised that what was stopping me from getting started was fear. And it wasn't fear of what people might think or fear of going to the gym. It was a fear of competing against myself. What if I couldn't make a change? What if I couldn't achieve the goals that I wanted to achieve? Problem comes when people start to lie to themselves and actually convince themselves that they are now happy and content with where they are right now, to avoid confronting the fear of making a change. They start to cling on to the excuses of, I can't afford this, or I don't have the time. And you know it's not true. It's just a means of keeping yourself in your comfort zone so that you don't have to take that risk. It's not a question of wanting it. You know you really want it. It's a question of taking responsibility of your appearance and of your confidence and empowering yourself to make a change. So I guess the takeaway from this video is to be aware that your mind is going to try and fight against you. It's going to convince you that where you are right now is where you want to be, because it is scared of making the change and stepping outside of your comfort zone. So you need to be aware of that and make sure that you are taking charge and you are starting the fight against your own mind, because it will want to sabotage you and it will want to stop you from getting to where you want to be because it's unknown. But that's okay. Remind yourself of why you want to make a change. Remind yourself why you are unhappy, and remind yourself why you want to be where you want to be. You want to build your confidence, you want to be happier, you want to be proud, you want to have all those feelings. So yeah, you could sit back and you could listen to your own excuses. I mean, if I'd have done that, then I would still be that skinny little guy today who is not proud of his physique and is not confident. I mean, if I'd have listened to that voice, then I would never have had the confidence to start a YouTube channel. I never would have had the confidence to do public speaking. I never would have had the confidence to start my own business. All these things have a knock-on effect as soon as you start convincing and lying to yourself and listening to that voice in your head that is trying to prevent you from bettering yourself. This is why I state in the title of the video to never stop building yourself up and to never be satisfied. So you might be sat there thinking, why is Tom preaching to us? What's this all about? Well, I'm doing it because I wish I had this advice when I was struggling to make a start, and I genuinely want to help as many people as I can build their physique to a point that they are proud, confident and happy. Speaking from experience, if you can change your physique and prove to yourself that you can take charge and that you can do it, then it's going to have a massively positive effect on the rest of your life and the other things that you want to do and achieve. If you are that person who looks in the mirror and is not happy with what they see, but yet hides behind their excuses to stay in their comfort zone, then I hope that this video gives you the confidence and the belief to challenge yourself and to not be satisfied and to make a change. If you're watching this video but haven't made a start yet, then the good thing is you're halfway there. All you need to do now is take action. So if you've overcome this problem that I know so many people have, then please leave a comment down below to hopefully help somebody else out. That being said, if you are still struggling and need some more motivation or some guidance on how to get started, then please leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content just like this, then please subscribe to the channel, and I will then see you in the next one.